Hey there, welcome to ProBuild YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing how to make this, in 3D model. So first we have all is that we have 2D drawing, so from which we have to go up with it, and possibly I would choose this as my first drawing so that I could able to achieve the complete 3D model. So we'll start this with new file, use default template, just uncheck it, go for it, and choose mmns part solid absolute method. Now I'm going to switch off coordinate system point so that only plane and axis is available. And now I have to have some drawing study. We can find two circles of radius 25 and 15 respectively, and it is of offset distance 25 mm from this base. So I shall start with front plane, go for extrude option, make to 2D view, and I'm going to draw a center line which the distance between is 25. Now I'm going to draw two circles of different radius. So one is R25 and R15, which means 30 in diameter, 50 in diameter. So remove the unwanted segments. Now we can see that it is offsetted to 2 mm here. Now this is a completely broken section view, so we can see here this is 2 mm, which means this is offset. I'm going for offset, choose loop, select any one line. Since this is facing upward direction, you should give positive 2. Now okay, and actually by general it is blind in default, so change to symmetric, and my thickness will be around 20, and just subtracting the either side thickness. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 20 minus 4 is 16. I'm marking here 16. Now here the round value is R4 on either sides. Go for round, just place this edge, change to 4, and here as well. Now I need to draw another profile of same thing but with different radius. So actually that offset radius is 4 mm, so I shall select this any one surface here. So I am selecting this surface, go for extrude once again, make to 2D view. Now I'm going to project this inner circle, go for offset, select loop, any one edge. Since it is facing towards the diagram, I'm putting negative sign minus 4. So this is a sketch obtained. Now we can see that the thickness between this is 2 mm. Check OK. Now select this extrude 2, go for 3D mirror with this as basic reference, click OK. So on either sides you got both the structure. Now I need to draw this third part, so its dimension is given here. We can find that this is of R10. It is offsetted from this this horizontal line 55 mm. So I am choosing this plane, this is right plane obviously. Go for extrude, make to 2D. Now change to hidden line so that it would be very easier for thing, and I'm taking this hidden line as my reference. So I'm going to draw a circle of radius 20, of radius 10 actually, and it is 20 in diameter, and from here to this point is actually 55. Now I'm going to draw my line connecting from the quadrant to the inner thickness of this profile. Now delete this segment. Yes, it's ready. So here we have some missing dimensions. This extrusion value is not given. I'm going for symmetric and giving 13 as my assumption value. so that the surface merge with this first part, or else it would protrude outside. Now I need to take a slot at middle, and it is of center to center distance is 5 slot. Again I'm choosing this right angle, right plane, go for extrude, change to hidden line. Now project this point, go for a line. Since this is going to remove the material, you can draw the line without dimension, so just click OK, go for symmetric option, just type 5, remove material. So it removes the material at center, so you can view it in shading with edges. See, this is the thing we need. And now the fourth operation is that we need to take a material, we need to take this material here, so it's just like tracing the part. So I'm selecting this surface, going for extrude and going for this 2D, so change to a hidden line. Now I'm going to draw a circle, so just before it, go for reference, draw the circle. So trace this part, I'm going to touch this point up to this line, and selecting this with this 2D mirror, I'm going for the center line, so draw line horizontally. Now I don't need this unwanted surface, so this is the point that is needed. And this extrusion depth is also not given, I'm assuming as 1.50 mm. Reverse it, flip material. Okay, so you got this, obviously you just got this. Going for shading with edges. Now I'm going to 3D mirror it. So this is the thing we got. Now what we're going to do is that going to place an hole. So hole's dimension is dia 15, and it is offsetted as 55 centimeter. So going for hole option, select the surface, and the two clips will be available. One I'm going to fit in this front plane, and another plane is going to be in this plane, so that I could give the offset distance. So just go for placement. In this top plane I'm going to give 55, since it is the offset distance, and this is I'm going to go for offset, get aligned, so that it aligns to 0 to 0 position with that oldest circle. So this is my orientation, and go for shape, and its circle's diameter is 15 in dia, and in blind change to up to selected surface. I'm going to select the other end's circle surface, so that it comes up to that. So this is the oval as I expected. So my part is completely ready. So this is the part. Now to change the view, go for appearances, choose any one color you like, go for part, select, double click. Thank you. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel for further videos.